Okay, here we go, you guys. Let's try another Instagram recipe. Ignore my hair. Just ignore it. That's all. For this recipe, I'm gonna build it right on top of my scale. Apparently, this has like 100 grams of protein in it, and it's gonna be like a super tasty dessert if you are ever like in the need for a sweet treat at the end of the day and you have a bunch of protein that you need to hit. This is the recipe for you. Okay, so we are gonna start with 250 grams of cottage cheese, and I forgot a spoon. Like I said, I'm just building this right on my scale in my blender. 250 grams. Cottage cheese is really having a moment. 2 eggs. Thank you to my chickens for giving me eggs. And then we're gonna do 20 grams of cornstarch. I zeroed out my scale. I love building recipes on my scale because it saves on dishes. And then 30 grams of vanilla protein powder. I'm using the Thorn whey protein. I'm not crazy about vanilla protein powder, but we're gonna give this a shot, you guys. I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. My protein powder's also expired. So hopefully I don't get sick. Whew, it's a little dusty. 30 grams is right about. Sorry, I should have had this measured out. I got there. Okay, gonna throw it on my blender that I have right here next to me. Give this baby a blend. And now we take it out of the blender and we're gonna dump it right into our parchment lined sheet pan. Like I said, it's a little bit thick and we want it to be in the shape of a square because it's gonna be kind of like a crepe of sorts. So we're gonna just put it right here, dump it out on this. Kind of has like a custardy texture. That's good. I'm gonna spread it out so that it's a little bit thinner, and then I'm gonna pop it into a 350-degree oven for like 20 minutes. Kind of maybe taste the batter. Yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna go pop it in the oven. Okay, you guys, it's done. It's finished. This is what it looks like out of the oven. It's kind of floppy. Again, I've not tried this. I have no idea if it tastes good or bad. I'm actually gonna leave it on the parchment and put it on the pan. And I whipped up some filling for it. And what I did is I used the yogurt cream cheese that I made, and I added a little bit more vanilla yogurt to it. I'm gonna put it on here like so. Spread it out a bit. Now, since this is like 100 grams of protein, like you're not gonna eat this in one sitting. At least I'm not gonna eat this in one sitting. Maybe you will. I'm gonna fold it over. Do you guys even see that? Yeah. And my son is here. You can't see him. He's in the background. But he's gonna be our taste tester. I'll taste it also. I'm gonna cut off a bite. Make sure that there's some goods in there. Now this is my son who's almost 21 years old, and so he'll be honest, okay? Here, let me try it. Yeah?
That's good.
Oh, that's good, he says. Okay, let's see. Oh,
It's missing something.
I think I would add a dash of cinnamon, maybe some nutmeg.
Maple syrup.
Ooh, a little bit of maple syrup, maybe to sweeten it up a bit.
Put it in the mix.
Anyway, this is good, you guys. If you're looking for a high protein dessert, if you are on a fat loss journey trying to lose fat, maintain muscle, eat a lot of protein, I feel like we're all on that path. This might be something for you. I'll put all the macros down in the comments below.